హాయ్ హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఏపీ గ్రామ వార్డ్ సచివాలయానికి సంబంధించినటువంటి డిజిటల్ పోస్ట్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి కంప్యూటర్ బిట్స్. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, మనకి పార్ట్ బిలో సిలబస్ ప్రకారం కంప్యూటర్ సంబంధించిన బిట్స్లో ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ అనేది ఒక టాపిక్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ మనకి. సో ఈ వీడియోలో నేను ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్స్ సంబంధించినటువంటి ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ బిట్ కూడా సో మన సిలబస్లో ఉన్న దాని ప్రకారం ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ సబ్ టాపిక్ కూడా ఈ వీడియోలో నేను కవర్ చేస్తాను ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో ఇప్పటిదాకా మీరు నా యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకపోతే అలాగే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే పక్కన ఉన్నటువంటి గంట సింబల్ మోషన్ ద్వారా నా మరిన్ని లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్ వీడియోలు మీరు పొందగలుగుతారు. సో ఈ వీడియో మీరు స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎండ్ వరకు క్లారిటీగా చూస్తే ఫ్రెండ్స్ కొన్ని బిట్స్ అనేవి మీరు ఎగ్జామ్లో అటెంప్ట్ చేయగలుగుతారు. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇప్పుడు నేను టాపిక్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాను. సో బిట్ యూజర్ ఇంటరాక్షన్ ఇన్ పాసిబుల్ విత్ ఆప్షన్ 4 ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దిస్. సో టైమ్ షేరింగ్ OS, parallel system, multiple programming OS. So explanation: in the above system many program and process stored in memory. CI time is divided among the available process. Switching between the processor is rapid. Those we connect interact with application. So 63rd bit. It can have many types of operating systems involved. Answer option 2 distributed system. Explanation: distributed system nothing but the collection of many types of machines having many types of operating systems having protocol used in the system. Parallel system. Answer is option 2 execute many instructions. Explanation: it is used to process large amount of data and instructions. Multi-core computing is a part of. Answer 2 parallel system. Explanation: parallel system is used to process large amount of data. To accomplish the task, parallel system uses multi-core computing. Multi-core computing means CPU having many core which is capable of executing separate instructions. 66th bit. Distributed computing is part of option 1 parallel system. Explanation: parallel system consists of many types of systems including grid computing, multi-core and cluster computing, etc. 67th bit. Cluster computing is part of option 4 parallel system. Explanation: parallel system consists of many types of systems including grid computing, multi-core, cluster computing, etc. 68th bit. In real-time system, outcome depends upon option 3 correct and timely output. Option 3 correct and timely output. Explanation: real-time system is gives the output in real time. It means outcome depends upon not only correct sentence but also timely output. 69 types of real-time system. Types of real-time systems. Option is 4 all of this: hard real time, soft real time, firm real time. Explanation: depends upon the tolerance allowed by the system. Real time system can be divided into hard, soft and firm real the system. So in hard real system, option 1 strict deadline followed. Explanation: in hard real system, output should strictly come is given time only. Being example is car airbags. 71 bit. If system performs the given task correctly in that time, then it is option 3 real time system. Explanation: real time system gives the output in real time. It means output depends upon not only correctness but is also timely output. 72nd bit. Following is the real time operating system. Option 2 Windows CE. Option 2 Windows CE. Explanation: real time system from Microsoft is Windows CE. All other are not the part of real time system. 73rd bit. Multimedia systems are designed for. Option 3 handle text, audio, video, image data. Explanation: special kind of system is designed for handling the multimedia data due to large amount of multimedia data generated. 74th bit. OS in cell phones, PDA, tablets, Palm PC, etc. is known as option 2 handled system. Explanation: handled system includes the OS which is in the handled device like tablet, PDA, etc. 75th bit. This approach is used operating system designed. Answer 3 layered architecture. Answer 3 layered architecture. Explanation: general operating system designed approaches are layered architecture, microkernel, simple architecture, modular hybrid architecture, etc. 76th bit. In layer architecture of OS. Answer 4. Users application software, OS hardware. Explanation. In layered architecture, the different layers are users, application software, OS and hardware. 77th bit. MS DOS uses dash architecture. Answer 3. Simple architecture. Explanation. MS DOS is very early OS which uses simple architecture. 78th bit. Original UNX uses dash architecture. Answer 4. Simple architecture. Explanation. UNX is also very early operating system which is uses the simple architecture. 79th bit. Windows NT kernel is answer 1 microkernel. Windows NT kernel is answer 1. Option 1. Answer 1 is microkernel. 80th bit. Modular approach is used by answer 4 all of this. Sun Solarizes Unix Linux. Explanation. The modular approach is used by variety of operating system include Unix, Linux, Solaris, Mac OS etc. సో మనం ఇందాక నేను మీకు స్టార్టింగ్లో చెప్పినట్టు ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్స్లో మనకి చాలా సబ్ టాపిక్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో అందులో ఇది ప్రాసెస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అనేది కూడా ఒక సబ్ టాపిక్. సో ఇక్కడ వచ్చేస్తే మనకి షెడ్యూలింగ్ ఆఫ్ థ్రెడ్స్ ఆర్ డన్ బై ఆన్సర్ సి ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్. ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ సింక్రనైజేషన్ ఆఫ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఈజ్ డన్ బై ఆన్సర్ సి operating system. For execution a process needs option C resources. Answer C resources. An execute program of computer system is called answer B process. A single threaded process of operating system program has answer A one program counter. First bit. Which process can be affected by other process executing in the system? Answer A. Cooperating system. Answer A. Cooperating process. Answer A. Cooperating process. Second bit. When several processes access the same data concurrently and the outcome of the execution depends on the particular order in which the access takes place is called answer B. Race condition. Answer B. Race condition. Third bit. If a process is executing in its critical section, then no other process can be executing in the critical section. This condition is called answer A. Mutual exclusion. Answer A. Mutual exclusion. Fourth bit. Which one of the following is synchronization tool? Answer C. Simophone. Answer C. Simophone. Fifth bit. A simophone is shared integer variable. Answer A. That cannot drop below 0. Answer A. That cannot drop below 0. Sixth bit. Mutual exclusion can be provided by answer C. Both mutex locks and binary smart forwards. Explanation. Binary smart forwards are known as mutex locks. Seventh bit. When high priority task is indirectly preempted by medium priority tasks, effectively inverting the relative priority of the two tasks. The scenario is called answer A. Priority inversion. Answer A. Priority inversion. Eighth bit. Process synchronization can be done on answer C. Both hardware and software levels. Ninth bit. A monitor is a module that encapsulates answer D. All of the mentioned. So shared data and structures, processes that operate on shared data structure, synchronization between the concurrent procedure, invocation. 10th bit. To enable of a process to wait within monitor. Answer A. A condition variable must be declared as condition. So ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ మెమరీ మేనేజ్మెంట్ సంబంధించినటువంటి సబ్ టాపిక్లో. సో ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టంలో మళ్ళీ సబ్ టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి మెమరీ మేనేజ్మెంట్. సో దీనికి సంబంధించినటువంటి బిట్స్ వచ్చేసరికి మనకి ఫస్ట్ బిట్. CPU fetches the instruction from memory according to the value of answer A program counter. Second bit. A memory buffers used to accommodate a speed differential is called answer B cache. Third bit. Which one of the following is addresses generated by CPU. Answer C. Logical address. Fourth bit, runtime mapping for runtime mapping from virtual to physical address is done by answer A. Memory management unit. Fifth bit, memory management technique in the which system stores and retrieves data from secondary storage for use in memory is called answer B. Paging. Sixth bit, the address of a page table in memory is pointed by answer B. Page table base register. Seventh bit, program always deals with answer A. Logical address. Program always deals with answer A. Logical address. Eighth bit, page table contains answer A. Base addresses of each page in physical memory. What is compaction? Answer C. A technique for overcoming external fragmentation. 10th bit, operating system maintains the page table for answer A. Each process. 11th bit, the operating system is answer C. Either A or B in the low memory, in the high memory. 12th bit, in continuous memory allocation answer A. Each process is contained in a single continuous section of memory. 13th bit, the relocation register helps in answer C to protect the address space of process. 14th bit, with relocation and limit registers, each logical address must be dash in the limit register. Answer A. Less than. Answer A. Less than. 15th bit, the operating system and the other process are protected from being modified an already running process because answer D. Every address generated by the CPU is being checked against the relocation and limit registers. 16th bit, transist operating system code is code that answer B. Comes and goes as needed. Answer B. Comes and goes as needed. 17th bit, using transient code dash the size of the operating system during program execution. Answer C. Charges. Answer C. Charges. 18th bit, when memory is divided into several fixed sized portions, each portion may be contained answer A. Exactly one process. Exactly one process. 19th bit, in fixed sized portion, the degree of multiple program is bounded by dash. Answer A. The number of portions. 20th bit, the first fit, best fit and worst fit are strategies to select a dash. Answer C. Free hole from the set of available holes. 21 bit, in internal fragmentation memory is internal to a position and answer B is not being used. Answer B is not being used. 22nd bit, a solution to the problem of external fragmentation is answer A. Compaction. Answer A. Compaction. 23rd bit, another solution to the problem of external fragmentation problem is to answer A. Permit the logical address space of process to be non-contiguous. 24th bit, if relocation is static and is done at assemble or load time compaction. Answer A. Cannot be done. Answer A. Cannot be done. 25th bit, the disadvantages of moving all process to one end memory and all holes to the other direction producing one large hole of available memory is answer A. The cost incurred. The cost incurred. 26th bit, dash is generally faster than dash and dash. Answer A. First fit, best fit, worst fit. 27th bit, external fragmentation exists when answer A. Enough total memory exists to satisfy a requested but it is not contiguous. 28th bit, external fragmentation will not occur when answer D. No matter which algorithm is used, it always occur. 29th bit, Sometimes the overhead of keeping track of a whole might be answer B, larger than the whole itself. 30th bit. When the memory allocated to process is slightly larger than the process, then answer A, internal fragmentation occurs. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, నేను మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఈ వీడియో యొక్క డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో మీకు రిమైనింగ్ వీడియోస్ లింక్ ఇస్తాను. సో ఈ వీడియో మీకు క్లారిటీగా అర్థమైనట్లయితే నా యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే పక్కన ఉన్నటువంటి గంట సింబల్ మోషన్ ద్వారా నా మరిన్ని లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్ వీడియోలు మీరు పొందగలుగుతారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ వీడియో.